everyone, my name is Rosie. Today let's learn 10 vocabularies together. Are you ready? Let's go! Learn a new year. Tết âm lịch. Tết holiday. Tết nguyên đáng. We love Tết holiday. Peach blossom. Hoa đào. Apricot blossom. Hoa mai. Trứng cake. Bánh chưng. Yummy. Fireworks. Pháo hoa. Bum bum. New clothes. Quần áo mới. Clean the house, dọn dẹp nhà cửa. Lucky money, tiền lì xì. Visit grandparents, thăm ông bà. Make New Year wishes, chúc Tết. Hey, can you say it with me? Lunar New Year, Tết holiday, lucky money. Good job, happy Lunar New Year. See you next time.